If you're filing taxes with TurboTax and keep running into errors that just won't go away, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to fix the most common TurboTax errors in 2025, quickly and easily. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share the one option that resets everything if nothing else works. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the official TurboTax website. You can either type in the URL directly or just search for TurboTax on Google and click the official link. Next, look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the sign in button. Click that and enter your TurboTax username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your return and the tools you need to fix errors. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Scroll down and click Tax Tools. This section gives you access to several options designed to help troubleshoot and streamline your filing. From here, click on Tools. A menu will pop up showing different features you can use to resolve issues. Often, just reviewing the flagged error, double-checking your entries, and correcting any typos will fix the problem right away. For example, missing social security numbers, mismatched names, or incorrect income details are some of the most common mistakes TurboTax highlights. But what if you keep fixing the errors and they still come back? That's where the Clear and Start Over option comes in. This tool lets you wipe your return completely and begin fresh. A quick word of caution, using this option erases all the progress you've made so far. TurboTax will ask you to confirm before it does this, so only choose it if the errors are persistent and you really need a clean slate. And that's it. By following these steps, signing in, accessing tax tools, correcting flagged issues, and using Clear and Start Over when necessary, you'll be able to resolve almost any error that pops up in TurboTax 2025. So, the next time TurboTax throws an error message your way, don't stress. You now know exactly how to handle it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any specific TurboTax issues you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.